Hi, it's HardReset, and today I'm gonna show you how to fix mobile data not working on Honor 200 Smart. So first thing, I already inserted the SIM card on the other phone, and we're gonna check disable the Wi-Fi, and as you can see I have the normal internet connection. I'll check with YouTube and it's working properly. So now I'm gonna take off the SIM card. Oh, it's hard. Okay, I have it. And insert it into my Honor. Is it like this? No, it's like that. And now insert it. So now we need to open our phone. Disable the Wi-Fi and enable the mobile data. No. Oh, no. Yes. Sorry. So, it's working as you can see, but if it's not working for you, then go into Settings, Mobile Network, Mobile Data, disable it and enable once again. If it's still not working, then take off the SIM card and make sure that it's inserted properly. It is. It wasn't. Okay, it was not. Next thing is to enable the airplane mode. Wait a couple of seconds and disable it. Next thing is to restart your phone, and it's like that. No, like that. Oh no, I don't know how to okay, I don't know how to disable this phone. Is it like that? Nope. Okay, I'm sorry, I don't know how to do it, but just okay, wait. Okay, so you do just need to click the power on button, but wait for the Gemini and hold longer and restart the phone. If it's still not working, the next thing is unfortunately to contact the carrier to verify your data plan. That's it, don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next one.